Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see, as soon as we closed the daily candle yesterday, we had a very quick buy up, and a lot of late shorts are feeling the pain. Another thing that I want to say is we went right into the resistance with this so far bullish engulfing daily candle, which is looking like it is trying to confirm this 16,200 area as support for now. Uh, and unfortunately, we are hitting into the resistance that I was looking for around 17,000. And until we can close an 4 hour above 17,000, we're not really looking for the next level of resistance around 17.5. We are basically looking for here sideways, and then hopefully we get that opportunity to break out. A few things I'm noticing is, yeah, that bear div that we had on volume is starting to obviously play out. We are hitting into the first level of resistance over here at 17,000, like 50-ish. But we are still able to rise. So until this daily closes, I don't want to say, hey, that's the level that we're going to play off for tomorrow. As of right now, as long as we're closing 4 hours above 17, yeah, basically 16,800, gives us the opportunity to break 1750. If we get 4 hour opens above 17,050, basically 17,100, the attempt to 17,500 will be active, and closing hourly above that will give you the opportunity to get to 18.6, which we got front run before the dump. So this time it's possible we can actually grab that or set up a lower high and roll over back. So these are the possibilities right now in Bitcoin. So be patient, wait for your levels, and then trade accordingly. Yesterday night, I took a long off of Bitcoin, and then I took a long on HBAR. Altcoin, both of those I closed in a little bit above 20% profit. Still holding the ETH. Right now, my ETH long is about 350% in profit. And I am adding into my position right now, which let's go over in a second. I'll just leave that alone right now. Let's go look at Bitcoin on a 4 hour time frame. Turn off these indicators. So I already see something bad on a 4 hour time scale. As we're going into our resistance, we are starting to lose our volume coming into the area that we were trying to break up. We have about 4 hours before New York opens, so we have to look for some sideways action here. Otherwise, losing 16.8 with the 4 hour open and close gives us the risk to go quickly to 16.5, and then if we lose 16.5, you're going to go to 16.2 and then lower. We want to go sideways and up, but losing any levels today, like I said, the 16.8, 16.5, gives us the risk to make this rollover much more aggressive to the downside. After this bounce, it's not going to have any money left here to buy. So if it comes back to that level, more than likely it's just going to cut it like butter and leg on down for liquidity. So be forewarned on that. As I was saying that, as we went into resistance, you are also getting right to the midline. So if we can close 4 hour above 17,000, you will get the juice to get to the higher level. But if you can't close above 17,000, we're gonna just, go sideways and consolidate. Before I get off this chart, so what we were looking was for this head and shoulder thing to play out and a little bit of a dead cat bounce here. That is literally what's coming out. Once we get down to here, if we get scooped up, it makes sense. But if we lose this level, okay, this level, this golden line, then more than likely we're going to play out the liquidity grab to the lower wicks. That's what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. It looks like it's slowly playing out. Right, let's go now to a daily on ETH. Okay. Looking at ETH on a daily, also doing what Bitcoin did, which was after the daily close, we got a nice little pump up to do a little bit of a short squeeze and hurt all those late shorters into the daily close. Uh, as we are coming up, we went right to our resistance, our EMA resistance, and we are basically doing a bullish engulfing candle on previous daily close. So closing like this would be good for the next day to see continuation, but we still need to close the day above 1195, and it can look basically give us the gas to go test into 1230 to 1260 area. Um, as we were getting into that area, yeah, we did not actually hit our resistance yet. We have that space to 1230, so just look out for that poke a little bit higher. We are bouncing off the bottom of the channel and going into the mid of the channel, not only the bottom of the ascending channel, but on the descending midline. So that's a good thing. That's where I was looking for my trade. I have a long off the bottom around 1260, and then I have a short from 1280, and I'm going to be adding uh, around here basically. And while we are going sideways, I'll scalp. But if we start closing 4 hours above 1230, I'll get ready for that 1260, 1280 area to add into my short. And once we claim that area, I'll be looking for 1350 and then 1560. Before it was 1500 and 1600. So since we've been going sideways and down, we've lowered those EMAs down. So keep that up for reference. Here is the 4 hour on ETH. As I was saying, I took my long lower. I'm looking to add into my short as we are rising here. If we can get to 1230, that'd be great because I have an order up there. But I have orders all the way from 12, 1215, 1220, which was the previous golden pocket that acted as our support. If I can show you that right here, 1150 to 1160. Okay, that was the other one. And yeah, there it is. There's this 1150, 1160. So this was another reason why I took that long at 1160. 1215 to 1200 is the golden pocket from the whole consolidation, which was our support before we broke down, just 1215 to 1200. Once we broke down, we are now using it as resistance. So once we claim above 1220 with the 4 hour open and close, I'll be looking for us to like kind of do something like this and just like extend out to higher EMAs, like probably, like almost 1320, 1330 is possible, and then I'll look for the next level of resistance. So right now, markets are not even open. So if markets open, USA in 4 hours, more than likely we're going to get that float up, and then we can look for some resistance. I don't know if anyone, whoever was not here for the live stream, yeah, and we do have space to the upside right now. I don't even think we're going to be overbought until we get to like 1260 at least. Yesterday, if you were here on the live stream, you got my spiel of what I'm looking at right now, and I'll just let everyone watching the video know who wasn't here on the live stream. We have about, what's it, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We have about 4 or 5 days for Christmas, and Monday is the observed day. So no real money is actually at computers trading. All of those big boys are off for the week, if not all the way till January 3rd, because there's no reason for them to be trading before the year ends. There's no tax liability anyone wants to take 10 days before the year ends. They're going to wait until January. So this low volume area is why we're getting this sideways consolidation with flighty, floaty consolidating in a range. Don't get too bullish. Don't get too bearish. I'm not expecting any kind of crazy breakouts until the new year. And in the meantime, everyone was looking for that Santa Claus rally. Well, that's possible that we're getting a little bit of a Santa Claus rally just from flighty, floaty action from low volume. Not because it's a bull run, but because that there's little buys coming in that it's causing the price to go up because there's no market maker or no big entity right now trying to do any major trading like shorting or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. At least for like the next 5-10 days, you should see low volume environment and flighty floaty action in a range. We've already been doing that in ETH for like 2 months, but I think it's going to continue until the new year, and then in the new year, you're going to see bigger price action pushes. Um, since we've been going like this for so long, so many shorts are stacked, it's okay that they just float it on up, come back for liquidity down lower after. It makes logical sense. So that's why I pointed that out. Gave you guys the levels on ETH. Let's quickly go look at Dixie, and then we can call it a day. There's Dixie. And I'll leave it on daily. Come on, lag. All right. Here is Dixie on a daily. Yesterday, I was looking for that tap into my indicator, did not come. Now we've got the death cross occurring already. Opening close today's candle anywhere under this price action, you will get the another push down. We are trying to break out, but we are coming to find some support right now. So here is what we were looking for on Dixie. If Dixie can hold 104 today, more than likely we'll open the next day tomorrow and then go up, because this is the same kind of bullish divergence we were seeing on Bitcoin and Ethereum before the pump happened after the daily close yesterday. So we might have to wait for the daily close today and get that. If we go lower than this neckline, obviously we should see a larger rally on crypto and everything. But if we pivot and then start rising, we'll see that pullback on everything. So just get ready for keeping an eye on Dixie. I think this is going to be a very telling asset for the rest of the year, so we can track which direction we're expecting to see. I'm actually deleting my indicator, and I'm gonna, not my indicator, my alert. I'm gonna leave it right here at 103.85. If we break that level, I'm gonna just be very cautious about my short and take profit, because it's already I'm building it, but I don't want to get my butt handed to me, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. And yeah, that's basically all I can say right now for markets. I gave you my warning about the low volume environment. I gave you my warning about Dixie. If this breaks down, watch out for your shorts. We should see upside. And yeah, I gave you my targets on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aside from that, guys, if you're interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join me on my Discord server. The link is in the description of this video below. And if you want to just ask me questions, I'm usually there all day. That's the best way to get a hold of me. Last but not least, if you would like to just ask me a question on the video, leave a comment in this YouTube video below, and I will make sure to answer your questions in the next video I make. If you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate a like, a subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already, guys. It really helps me out moving forward, and I greatly appreciate all of you for doing it. A special shout out to all the members that are in the member services group. If you're interested in scalping and trading with us and members, it's $20 a month. Please feel free to DM me on the Discord server, and I will get you onboarded immediately. Also, members, get ready. I will be making a video with the random number generator to pick who gets that hard wallet Ledger Nano that we're giving out, and I'll get it shipped out to you this week, so you get it near Christmas. Aside from that, guys, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, just get at me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Just trade safely today. I wish you all the best, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.